Two giants in the world of life insurance go head-to-head, Guardian Life versus Banner Life. Which one really delivers? On the left, Guardian Life, known for its long history and financial strength. And on the right, Banner Life, promising value and flexible coverage. Let's skip the marketing talk and get down to the real facts. We'll stack them up across several key categories, each earns points, so you'll see who truly comes out on top. The outcome might just surprise you. Alright, before we jump in, here's how we're breaking it down. We're looking at price, the types of policies they offer, cash value and dividends. Because who doesn't love extra money? How easy it is to actually apply their financial strength, so like how stable they are, and finally the little extras, riders and flexibility. Got all that? Cool, let's get started. First up, price. Guardian, honestly, they're a bit on the pricey side, especially for term life. But and this is a big but, when you look at their permanent policies, the value can really stack up over time because of their dividends. Still, getting a quote? Kinda old school, you might have to call an agent. Now Banner Life, oh man, they are the budget choice, no competition there, among the lowest term rates in the US, just super competitive. Plus, they've made it super easy to get online quotes and applying is pretty seamless. So yeah, for price, Banner definitely takes this round. Next, policy types. Guardian seriously covers all the bases, term, whole, universal, you name it, and their whole life policy gets a lot of buzz for those nice dividends. The one weird thing is some products are only available through agents, which is a little bit old-fashioned. Banner, on the other hand, is laser-focused on term and universal life, but wait for it, no whole life. That's going to be a huge miss if you're after permanent coverage. So Guardian takes the win here. Okay, now let's talk cash value and dividends, which is honestly where Guardian flexes the hardest. Their whole life has above-average dividends, like people stick with Guardian for this reason alone. The cash value growth is super consistent. Sure, dividends aren't technically guaranteed, but Guardian's track record is pretty wild. Banner, not so much. Their universal life will grow some cash value, but there's no dividends and that cash value builds a lot slower in general. So yeah, Guardian is the obvious winner if building value is your jam. Oh, and here's something cool. Guardian Life has literally paid dividends to policyholders every year since 1868. Yeah, over 150 years, that's some serious consistency. Application process? Guardian kinda keeps it old school again. Most of it happens through agents, which means you might end up playing phone tag or waiting around for paperwork. Not ideal in 2024, right? Banner is the total opposite here. You hop online, get a quote super fast, sometimes skip the medical exam for real, and you might even get approved way quicker. There are some cases where Banner still needs a medical exam, but it's way faster overall. So, for application process, Banner's the winner, no question. Let's talk financial strength. Guardian is the definition of stable, like A++ from AM Best, been around over 160 years, yeah, that's not a typo. You don't build that kind of legacy without doing a ton of things right. Banner, also no slouch, A+ from AM Best, and they've got the legal and general parent company backing them up, which is a big deal. Still, Guardian's extra edge puts them in the lead here. Alright, last category, riders and flexibility. Both companies do a solid job here. Guardian comes out strong with living benefits. You can tack on riders for your kids for a disability or even accidents. Only thing is, if you want lots of options, costs can go up. Banner's flex is mostly around their term options. They let you convert term to permanent, which for a lot of people, that flexibility is key. But they have a little less to offer in terms of living benefits compared to Guardian. So here, it's honestly pretty tied. If you're a visual person, hear what the results look like on a radar chart. It's super clear where each company shines. You can really see Guardian pulling ahead on policy types and cash value, while Banner just totally owns the price and application spots. Alright, so what does all this mean? If you're looking for lifelong protection, building cash value, and you kind of geek out about getting dividends, Guardian Life makes the most sense. But if you're just here for affordable, solid term insurance and you want to get it done like now, Banner Life is hard to beat. Honestly, you can't go wrong, but think about what's more important to you. Long-term growth or upfront value? If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more insurance explainers. We'll keep breaking down this stuff so it actually makes sense.